If you saw the movie Slumberland, then you heard a piece that is used throughout that movie called The Parting Glass. This is kind of like that. It's got that kind of folksy folk song sound, and it's on the black keys. You're going to be using black keys 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and you're going to use them again in the bass clef. If you have a big stretch, as I do, you can play in this hand position. But if you don't like stretching out where the black key is missing, if that feels too stretchy for too long, you can also do it this way. Just jump, right? The top is the same as the bottom, except for instead of here where you had 3 the same, here you have 2 the same, and that one's a little different. Look what we've got. We've got the interval of a third. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. There's a third, right? And so 5, 4, 3, hit the 5 and 3 together because they share a stem. Then you have 1, 2, fill in that blank there. Who's on the bottom space? Is it 5, 4, or 3? That's right, the bottom space would be 3. You recognize this because it's the only interval of a third you've had so far. There it is, 5 on top of 3. So the top line sounds like this. Get ready to play that with me. Start on key number 5. Ready, go. Notice the first notes will be a little bit faster because they're beamed together. When you get down here, what happens? It's all beamed together, isn't it? We don't usually beam across the bar line, but you're going to go straight up from 1 all the way through to 5, and then you're going to back down 2 notes. What goes here? Which one is this? This is the second line up, isn't it? See it? That's 4. What's in the bottom space? That's 3. And then this is sort of a one-off because this really is a pickup to the rest of it. But this is the second space up, so this is 5. Here we have the interval of a fifth. You might think, how's that the interval of a fifth? 1, 2, 3, 4. But when we do intervals on the black keys, we also count where the black key is missing. There could have been a black key there. So that's the interval of a fifth. So line 2, you're going to start with your thumb and go straight up to your pinky and back to black key 3. And then reach up with your pinky for black key 5. And then you're going to hit these. Which, you know, if I have my hand there, it's hard to see what keys I'm pressing. So I'll do it this way so you can see my hands. Ready to play that with me? So it says 2, which is really the last part of measure 2, pickups into measure 3. Line 2. Ready, go. Skip up, and then play 1 and 4, 3 times in a row. Ready to play that whole top of it with me? 1, 2, go. If you need to practice and come back to do it, you can come back in at 3 minutes. I'm sorry, I think 3 minutes and 30 seconds in. You'll have to find it now. My phone is blipping out because my battery's dying. So here we are down here, and we're going to play it again. At the end, we're going to step the right hand down. You'll see it when we get there. Start on 5, below middle C. Ready, go. Black key 5, we're here, and step down. I hope you enjoy this.